Okay, so this is going to be a small demo of how to use the program. As you can see here on the left-hand side, is the references that you want to change, which means the old references. And then on the right-hand side, this being the reference format that you want to change into. Okay? And as you can see, it starts with A, and I just assume it's alphabetical. That it's called, it goes from A to Z. Okay? And as you can see, the last name, first name, they're in different orders. I think here. Also, the year is also at a different place right here, right? If you use like regular AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, it's gonna give you very random, messy results. It's gonna make up the DOIs. It's gonna make up the patterns of the references. So I built this tool. I'm just gonna show the Jupyter notebook. This tool sort of just takes down this complex task into some sub steps, and then since the AI tools are large language models, they could execute the smaller steps without any problems. So this is much more reliable than just passing it to ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the code, this is the original references, and this is target reference I already uploaded. And as you can see here, those are the names. So if you were to upload another file, don't forget to change the name. Okay, let me just leave it there. As I said before, I want to be alphabetical, and if I had to keep, then I just keep the order. This, the numbering style. What do I mean by numbering style? It means if I want this, or this, or this, or nothing. So in this case, we want nothing. So we just do now and obviously do something like that. Okay, let me do it like this. Let me just run it again. O, and okay, now it's really it's inferring stuff from target documents. And as you can see, the year rule. The year is after authors and before title, and it ends with a period. And so this is a year, right? Year is after the authors, before the title, and it ends with a period like this. So yeah, and it's gonna use this rule to help us rebuild or reconstruct this in a similar manner or format. So let's just look. I guess while we're here, I could show you some steps I used to do this. So first, import style from target reference. Those are the style rules that it's going to reference. And then using this rule, it's going to review the original references. But of course, it's going to take apart the original references into small chunks, and then review it based on the rule. Okay, so first, it's showing us the first reference from our original thing. It's okay. And then secondly, alphabetical sort. So this guy, whose name is A, is going to be the first one. And then maybe in another 30 seconds, it's going to give us the results. Also, one thing to remember is you have to make your file start with references so that it can locate the first line. If it doesn't have references, then it's going to have some problems. Okay, there's 24 references, and it's gonna take like 3 minutes or something. But the result is pretty trustworthy, I would say. Okay, so now reference RM fixed, and it's supposed to be the same folder as here. If I open this, it's going to show some problems, but since it's local, which means I could just sort by, I could just open it locally. And as you can see, this is the same format that we want it to be, right? And then just to check this DOI, if this DOI is in place, it doesn't make up the DOI. Yeah, we got it here. And the year is after the authors and before the title, which is exactly what we want. And of course, you can try some other rules instead by changing the inputs here or changing this reference target reference as well. So yeah, enjoy.